Hi, welcome back to the channel. This video is about how to get flawless foundation. To be able to get flawless foundation, you need to prepare the skin for better results and healthy skin overall. So here I'm going to cleanse and moisturize the skin. I'm going to skip the exfoliating part because I do it once or twice a week. The first step is to cleanse the face and then rinse off the cleanser. Then pat the water from the face using a soft, clean towel. And then the next step is to apply an eye cream. The eye cream helps to moisturize and plump the delicate area around the eyes. So I'm patting gently around the eyes using my ring finger. And then apply the moisturizer. Once the moisturizer is fully wrapped in, I'm going to do my eyebrows while I wait for the products to fully absorb into the skin before I start doing my makeup. The first step to prepare the skin for the application of the foundation is to apply a primer. The primer acts as the base for the foundation. Remember to moisturize the lip. So that's the foundation. The first thing is to color correct under the eyes. So the foundation will wait meanwhile, and then I'll blend it in. I'm using color corrector around the eyes to correct the dark circles and then set using translucent powder. Once that is done, I'm going to blend in the foundation gently using a brush, starting from the center of the face outward. And then remove excess product using a damp makeup sponge. The next step is to set the foundation using pressed powder using a powder puff. Pressed powder gives a smooth finish. I'm going to conceal around the eyes using concealer that matches my skin tone and then set it using translucent powder. Lastly, apply a setting spray to remove any powdery finish and to ensure that the foundation lasts all day long. Since this video is dedicated for foundation, I'm going to do the rest of the makeup off camera and I'll be back with the final look. That would be it for this video. I will see you in my next one.